Melanated Muse. If this is your first time, welcome, and if this is your second time or more than your second time, welcome back, and thank you so much for supporting. So today I wanted to come at you with a different type of video, and this video focuses more on wellness. As you know, most of my videos that you've seen so far has been focused on skincare and taking care of the skin externally. Well, I just want to come at you with a real quick recipe that I use to take care of my skin from the inside out. And I actually just started using a new brand to add to my smoothies, just to make them, you know, more tasty, just to add a little more flavor. So this is just something real quick, and as you can see, we're in a 90s sort of style vibe kitchen. I already know what you were thinking, so yes, I'm kind of living in the time zone, but you know, we got to start somewhere, right? Okay, so this smoothie recipe, very simple, very easy, and starting off, I use frozen strawberries. Okay, so I use about just a cup of frozen strawberries, and then the second thing I use is 1 banana, so you get your potassium. And I also, to add in some more antioxidants, which is really great for the skin from the inside out, and just everything with this whole recipe just gives you energy. But some blueberries, and I'm using a pack of Hum Beauty's Raw Beauty Green Superfood Powder. If you can see that, it's just a nice cute little powder pack here, and it's the Tahitian vanilla and berry infusion. It's super tasty, very tasty. It helps boost energy, radiant skin, and metabolism with raw greens, adaptogens, enzymes, and probiotics, which are my favorite, you guys. Probiotics are really good for digestion, just really good for the, you know, the digestive tract, you know what I mean? And it's also good for some other stuff too. Ladies out there, for, you know, your little lady parts, keep your lady parts healthy. So what I'm going to be using is the Ninja blender, and I'm using a small cup. And where is my, here we go. So this is what I'm going to be blending it in. And as I said before, I do use, oh, I almost forgot, I do put in almond milk, and I'm using the Full Circle Market brand organic original almond milk. So this is organic almond milk. I don't drink milk. I only use almond milk or coconut milk, things like that. So I try to be as non-dairy as much as possible. I notice when I cut out a lot of dairy, I haven't cut it out completely. I still eat cheese. I love cheese. Maybe one day I'll cut it out, but that won't be happening today. So again, as I said before, I'm going to use these strawberries here, put them in my cup. So I don't really measure, you guys. I just kind of, I'm really a visual person, and I can pretty tell how much I need just by looking at it. I may add more as I go. And of course, I'm going to be adding a banana to it. Like I said before, I'm just getting my servings of potassium, which is really good for you. And then I am adding these blueberries. I'm not adding the whole bag because that is a bit much. Adding the blueberries. And now I'm adding my Raw Beauty pack. And I'm just going to tear this up here. I'm going to use my teeth. Okay, that's not gonna work. We're gonna need some scissors, right? Okay. So just getting some scissors here and just cutting from the top there. And we're gonna pour that in. Now, for my last step, I add in the almond milk last. There's really, you don't have to do it in any particular order. This is just what I'm used to. I just add it in there. And I fill it up to, let's see, like I said before, I don't really measure. I fill it up right here. Even though the fill line is all the way up here, I just kind of go in the middle. And because I might want a little sweetness here, this is kind of like my dessert, I'm going to actually add some honey to it. So we're going to add honey, ideally some raw honey. And let's see, I don't have a lot left, so I'll have to get some more. But this just adds a little, you know, extra sweetness to it. Um, Please do not, I recommend do not add any sugar to your smoothies. There's no point. You're getting your sugar from the fruit that's already in there. You don't want to add it. That's the whole point. This is the healthy way to get your dose of sugar. So it's natural sugar. You don't have to do any additive sugars in there. So now I'm just gonna blend it. And I prefer my smoothies sort of have like a thick sort of consistency. In the past, my smoothies have been a little, I don't know, I don't want to say watery, but just a little more liquidy than it needs to be. So we're gonna blend, and I'm going to use the Auto ID blender. So it's gonna be some noise here. And it goes 30 seconds is usually good. Sometimes 45 seconds is good. Like this Ninja blender is off the chain, you guys. It's really, really good. And I love the fact that I don't have to hold the button down. Okay, so that's good enough. I'm just gonna shake it. Okay. And let's see. Smells good, you guys, and I'm telling you, I'm smelling. Look at the color. So the color is, because I had more strawberries and berries, it has sort of like a pinkish purple consistency. And so even though the raw beauty powder is green, my drink didn't turn green, even though I have nothing wrong with green. I love green drinks, which is healthy. But anyway, that's it. So this is just one of the smoothie recipes that I use to help, you know, boost energy from the inside out, and also keep, you know, clear skin from the inside out. I just noticed that by drinking fruit smoothies once every single day and adding Hum's Raw Beauty, I really just noticed more so in my energy, and as well a boost in my skin. I've tried more Hum products, which I'm going to do another video on their collagen pop, so make sure you stay tuned. Well, thank you for watching, you guys. Make sure that you subscribe, hit the like button, because I really, really want to come and do more videos for you and just give you more inspiration on your health, your wellness, and your skincare. So make sure you subscribe. You can follow me also on Instagram at Melanated Muse. That's MELYNATED Muse, MUSE. Bye, guys.